All right, today we're gonna bring two scones, and these are brass plated, like it's nickel brass. All right, that's pretty much it, nickel plated, right, in gold. You also get the light bulb, which is a large light bulb. All right, you can find these still in any stores too, and in some hardware stores, but they're a little longer as normal ones. And then of course it comes with the actual glass that goes on the top. It just screws in there, and that's pretty much it. Now on the back, you get the screws and everything else that's needed. Just make sure that you have 3 connections in here. You got your ground, your neutral, and your hot. All right, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna set this up today, and like I said, you don't get 1, you get 2. So let's put this one up and see how it looks. All right, before setting up the glass, you want to set up the light bulb first. All right, twist it, and then the glass twists also too. All right, so just be careful with it. Glass goes in there. Glass goes to the bottom. This part is the bottom part. You twist it, and that's it. Just 1 twist or 2. That's pretty much it. All right, look how beautiful scone. You just don't get 1, you get 2. Beautiful, elegant, gold plated, brass plated for outdoors. Shines beautifully. Good atmosphere. If you're gonna put this in your entrance or your garage or your entrance, looks beautiful, and it lights up the whole place. Right now, depending on the light bulb that you need to install, you can make it a lot brighter too, but it's a soft light right now, as you can see.